Hello, welcome to your very first mindful piano lesson. This is a calm and supportive space for those that have always wanted to play the piano but never thought it was the right time. This is your very first lesson and it's designed for total beginners. Stay tuned and let's see what we can learn. Let's get ready to slow down, breathe, and finally enjoy music from the inside out. Today we're going to take our very first step together, but before we even touch a key on the piano, let's take a moment to settle in. Sit comfortably, rest your hands on your lap or gently on the piano. Close your eyes if you like, and take a slow breath in and a long breath out. Let's do two more together. A slow breath in and a long breath out. A slow breath in and a long breath out. When we combine piano and breathing, it's a really nice reset for your nervous system. So feel your shoulders relax, let go of any pressure. You are not here to perform, you are here to enjoy. All right, let's meet the piano. So take a look at the keys and you will notice a pattern of 2 black keys and 3 black keys. And so the first thing we are going to focus on in our first piano lesson is finding the C. So you are going to find a group of 2 black keys and directly to the left of it is a C. So you will continue on and find the C's, a group of 2 black keys, a C. A group of 2 black keys, a C. And that's how easy it is to find all of the C's on the piano. And of course, middle C is in the center of the piano, and this is our grounding and starting point. So go ahead and work on finding the middle C. In our session 1, we are going to learn the easiest pattern and the easiest way to learn what all of these notes are. So it's simply broken into a 7-note pattern, and that pattern is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And as you can see on the keyboard, it's just a repeating pattern. So we can go ahead and find our middle C as we did before, and then we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it repeats again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And that's the easiest way to explain the pattern and the notes on the piano. So again, let's focus on our middle C note, and I would love to show you how it is notated in music. So here we have our symbol for the right hand, and here's how C is notated. It always has a line through it, and here is our middle C in our left hand. So that is how you will read the middle C note in music. Today, we are going to play a simple flowing pattern using just 3 notes. So find your middle C again. C, D, E, and gently play them one at a time, up and then back down. C, D, E, E, D, C. And now what I would like you to do is try to sync it with your breath. Inhale, C, D, E, exhale, E, D, C. Again, inhale, C, D, E, and exhale, E, D, C. So there's no rush. Let it feel like a wave. Excellent. So you've taken your first step into piano calmly, gently, and mindfully. You don't need to practice for hours. Just show up, breathe, and enjoy the process. And if you found this helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe so we can continue on our journey together, one peaceful note at a time. So leave a comment and let me know how it felt to play your first pattern. I will read every single one. And until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep playing. Bye.